Oops. Lost the sound there for a second. It's a little shot. It took me 2 practice goes to get. I landed it the first time, but it was way off the runway. You asked if the flight simulator was just like this, and yes, it is. Here we have a 747. I think that's what it was in the video that you did. Coming into Minneapolis.
Sync rate.
And as you can see, I'm a bit rusty at it.
Sync rate.
Mainly because it came in too high, so I'm having to dive to get into the proper glide slope. If you watch the yellow lights on the left hand side of the runway,
500.
they'll start to change as I get to the right glide slope.
400.
There we go.
200.
Still a little bit high, but not too bad.
100. Minimum 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, throttle back, reverse thrust, hit the brakes like hell. And I never reconfigured that, so it's a fully loaded plane. It's flying a little bit on the heavy side, that's why I won't bloody well stop. And we're done.